Tonight, the state's Board of Education met to discuss the impacts of coronavirus on public schools. On the agenda, everything from how they're responding and reporting new cases at the K-12 level and how the pandemic is creating budget woes at the state's colleges and universities. 12 News reporter Kim Kalunian spoke with the state's education commissioner ahead of the meeting and joins us now with what she's learned. Kim?
Well, Infante-Green painted a mostly positive picture of Rhode Island's return to school at the elementary and secondary levels. But those in post-secondary education are facing a more bleak reality.
Overall, it's been pretty successful, I have to say.
Rhode Island's education commissioner giving high marks to the start of the new school year, joining us on 12 News Now at 4 for her weekly interview. This as the state reports a total of 33 cases of COVID-19 in the K-12 in-person learning community, 19 of them students, 14 adults. The state is slated to roll out a new school-by-school breakdown of those cases this week. At tonight's Board of Education meeting, Angelica Infante-Green talked about the trends they're seeing.
Our first case, it was an adult who came in who thought that person had allergies, and she went to the school nurse. The school nurse sent her to get tested. Within 3 hours, the other two people had been quarantined, and before midday, everybody knew what the information was. So it was pretty well executed. The majority of cases of students that we've had have been kids that are in virtual learning and in homeschooling. That's the majority of our kids that have tested positive.
The Department of Health says there have been 44 cases in the virtual learning community, 40 of those students. Meanwhile, coronavirus spreading on college campuses is just one of the impacts on the state's institutions of higher ed. Rhode Island College and CCRI both navigating major financial woes due in part to declining enrollment. CCRI facing an estimated $12 to $14 million budget shortfall, announcing Tuesday plans to lay off 45 full-time staff members. Earlier this week, Rhode Island College said it would lay off 35 non-faculty employees as the school faces a projected $10 to $12 million gap.
It will be among the most challenging years financially for the college.
And you can watch my full interview with the commissioner right now on WPRI.com, where we also discuss security concerns around distance learning and whether remote learning will continue to be an option for families in future school years. You can also catch her next Tuesday on 12 News Now at 4. I'm Kim Kalunian, 12 News.